Hi everyone and welcome back to my Forex channel. So in this session I will show you probably one of the easiest scalping strategies using two powerful indicators. So in this scalping strategy we will use well-known exponential moving averages and parabolic SAR indicator, which combined together they can show you where you should enter and where you can exit your trade. Unfortunately, parabolic SAR is not capable of working alone, so it's kind of musty to use additional technical analysis tools and a price action to perform the scalping strategy. You can apply this strategy on all currency pairs that starts moving in one direction, as many forex trading strategy performs the best when the market moves in a steady uptrend or downtrend. And a quick reminder for those who might new here, we have a golden rule, which is you never go against the trend, because the trend is our friend and this is where you make the most money of it. So I have USD JPY on a 15-minute chart, but as I said, you can use any currency pair that moves either upside or downside. So don't worry, I will show you both examples for a buy and sell trade and how basically it works using this strategy. I have identified my horizontal areas of sensitivity, support and resistance based on the price moves in the past, and you should do that so before entering any kind of trade, and this is very important step to do. Without it you cannot actually go straight away into placing trades without actually seeing how basically the market moves, unless you're super confident about what you are doing and you're ready to dive into any trade that you're gonna see. But I strongly suggest you take a moment, draw your support and resistance trend lines, and even if the market will decide to go not in our favor, we will know at least what to do with the trades and what to expect from it. So once you're done by marking your support and resistance and your trend line, let's actually add indicators. All you have to do is go on indicators, type in EMA, and it will be the first one, moving average exponential. Triple click because we will need 3 of them. Once you're done by adding them on, you have to change the length from default to 10, 25 and 50, as this is the settings for this strategy. So once you are done by setting up your exponential moving averages, you have to do the same step for parabolic SAR indicator. And to add a parabolic indicator, all you have to do is go on indicators, type in parabolic, and that will be parabolic SAR. And for this indicator we will not change any settings at all. It's always good to know how indicators works. So parabolic SAR displays a series of dots, and it is mainly used to identify the market direction and also by showing the beginning of a reversals. That's basically helps traders to estimate the trend. SAR stands for stop and reverse, as this indicator uses trailing stop and reverse method. But to even make the most out of the parabolic SAR, it is also a great tool to pinpoint the entry and exit points to basically protect your profits or minimize your losses. So that's a great hack how you can spot a uptrend or a downtrend. So if you will see the dots below of the candlesticks, we are in an uptrend and we will be looking only for a buy trades. On the other hand, if the dots are above the candlesticks, it identifies a downtrend and that will be taking only a sell trades. So it is easy as that, and feel free to reach out if you do have any questions for me. You will find all my contact details down in the description box below. Back on 15-minute chart, USD JPY, this will be a buy trade example, and here it comes the importance of 3 EMAs. You should open a buy trade when EMA of period 10, so the blue line, has crossed EMA of periods 25 and 50. So basically from the bottom all the way up, and parabolic SAR is below the candlesticks, showing a uptrend. And my friendly advice to you, you should make sure that before opening the trade that parabolic SAR has the same position on 15-minute chart and on 1 hour. I mean, it's trending towards the upside on both of those time frames. Once you have a confirmation from parabolic SAR showing an uptrend and exponential moving averages trading below the candlesticks, then you will be looking for a entry position. So you will be looking from some sort of price action confirmation, or you can even open up a MACD indicator indicator as well to have another confirmation for you if you're still not sure to use exponential moving averages and parabolic. So in this scenario, as you can see, if you will have a crossover over here on the lower part, it means that the market is oversold and more than likely we will go towards the upside. So here we go, we have a bullish engulfing candle, a crossover of blue line over the orange one, and this is where we could potentially enter our trade. So this is a great opportunity to enter a trade over here because everything that's been required for this scalping strategy is set to go. Your stop loss potentially can be lower than your 50 exponential moving average or on previous area of sensitivity, and your target can be set at a level of resistance. Also, when I was doing a research and backtesting, I have came up with a great conclusion on exiting the trade using parabolic tool. So once you see a 3 dots starting to form above the price, more than likely the trend is ending and there would be a reversal. So this is where you should close your trade. So based on the setup using the scalping strategy, we would be profiting 23.2 pips. We would be closing the trade as soon as we see 3 dots as an indication from parabolic that the trend is changing, and more than likely we will have to look for a sell trade. And for a sell example, you must apply opposite rules before entering on a 15-minute chart, meaning that waiting for the candlesticks to trade below of 3 moving averages, so from top to bottom, and parabolic SAR dots is above of the candlesticks, identifying that we are in a downtrend. And we also have a confirmation. As I said, you can use the MACD indicator for it, and as you can see, we have a crossover literally the same where we have a bearish engulfing candle. So MACD price action confirmation, and that's a nice entry to enter the trade. So in regards to your stop loss, it can be slightly above of your previous area of sensitivity or above of all 3 exponential moving averages, and this is why, guys, please take your time to mark your support and resistance lines, because it literally helps us to plot our stop loss and entry points. We need to know how the market moves. We can predict what can happen with the market, and we will know how to act for it. So take your time to draw them. There is no race here in a forex trading. It's all about for you being correct and being profitable. So in this scenario, we will be profiting 11.3 pips, but also remember to follow the basic rules of risk management and move your stop loss to break even and protect your profitable positions from basically drawdowns. So if you did enjoy the video, smash like and comment down below, and once again, thank you for watching me, and until next time, bye.